See, people watching is something that's considered very weird, especially if you watch a lot of these movies. I know you've seen a movie like that. It's when the villain is looking at a group of people right before the villain is about to do something sinister. But here's the thing with the real world. People watching with purpose is a masterclass on body language. Study how these people are having a conversation and see whether or not it feels comfortable or uncomfortable. What about this person walking? Why are they walking so fast? What about this guy that's taking an order from this guy? Is it comfortable or uncomfortable? By simply asking these questions and remaining aware of your environment, you begin to improve your understanding of body language at rapid rates. But let's say you're someone that feels uncomfortable looking at other people. Well, in scenarios like this, take some time to analyze your own body language. How do you currently feel? Do you feel good? Do you feel bad? And when you do feel bad, what's your body like? When you do feel good, what's your body like? By simply remaining curious, you get to improve your body language understanding like none other.